What is up, YouTube? And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the trade that made me over $300 today, day trading the Euro USD. So without further ado, let's get into it. So starting on the hourly time frame, as you can see, I already have my chart marked up. But basically what I was looking at going into today was, I don't know what I was looking at, because as you can see, this price action here, all of this price action here is just straight chop. Not really much to go off of. But looking at GU, as you can see, we still have the same chop. But what do we do have? We do have this 1 hour bullish fair value gap here with the same high that was on Euro USD. So this was my confident draw liquidity, or where I wanted price to target. So with this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, we also had SMT inside of that bullish fair value gap, because as you can see, this 9 a.m. low here, and then this 8 a.m. low here on GU, it gets taken. On your USD, it does not get taken. So that is a SMT. So going back to your USD, because that's what I took the trade on. So going into 9 a.m. today, this is what I was looking at. I've already had my narrative of wanting to see higher prices because of this SMT. But what also aligns with that SMT, this London low here that got swept. So what I am doing is I am waiting for the series of down close candles that swept that important level to get closed above. So this 840 candle is the last down close candle into that sweep of that London low. So the open of that candle will be my change in the state of delivery, and that is what I would be looking for to enter the trade. So playing price, we see come up, we close above, and we retest that level. So this is what I was looking at. At this point in time, I'm already in the trade. This is what my trade looked like. 2R, pretty good risk to reward. But with that, play price, we come down, we retest this bullish fair value gap here, come down. And what is this bullish fair value gap telling me? What is the narrative behind it? Okay, well, we come up, we test this bearish fair value gap here, come up, test it, sweep liquidity inside of that bearish fair value gap, we come down to retest this bullish fair value gap. So what is this telling me? Okay, well, this bullish fair value gap here and this down close candle here, this 940 candle, we come down, we test this fair value gap. But what do we see? We see this 940 candle does not go below consequent encroachment of this bullish fair value gap. Consequent encroachment is the midpoint of the fair value gap. We don't go below it. We literally stay at the entry of the fair value gap and we start to trade out. So that is telling me that we have a lot of bullish momentum, and that right there is telling me that I can move my stops to break even and I can become risk-free on the trade and just let it run. And as you can see, with this 10 a.m. candle, we had just big buying pressure out of that bullish fair value gap. So again, that is also telling me that I could have a lot of confidence in this trade. So now playing price, as you can see, we hit our take profit of these highs. My original take profit were these 1 hour highs up here, but I was pretty good with what I made, pretty happy and pretty confident that this was going to be hit. And so I was done with everything around 10:10 from 9 o'clock. So I just wanted to continue on with my day. And yeah, this was the first trade. Going into PM session, I was on the 15-minute time frame looking at this bullish fair value gap here. And if we go to the 15-minute time frame on EU, we could also see this bullish fair value gap here with that correlated candle. So with that, what I wanted to see was price run up, trade back into it, and target that 1 hour buy sell liquidity that we were talking about earlier. So with my PM session narrative in place, what I did was went to the aligned time frame, which was the 1 minute. And if we go back, okay, so with this, as you can see, I already have the SMT marked out. But to go on a deeper level so you can see it, this is what the SMT looked like. So as you can see, this candle here, this 1210 candle, is also aligned on GU. That same 1210 candle puts in that SMT, because on EU we sweep out that low. On GU we don't. So that was my narrative going into PM session. So what was I looking for that to be confirmed? Again, series of down close candles into that important level or into that low of the SMT, and also sweeping out this 1251 low. So this candle here, this 102 p.m. candles open, is the last series of this 3 series down close candle right here. So the open of that, I'm waiting for that to get closed above to confirm that we are bullish. So this candle here, this 106 candle, does not close above it, right? All we do is wick it, the body does not close above it. So I am not going to enter because I just found my confirmation. But we do have this 1 minute 1 minute fair value gap with SMT inside of it. So that is more confirmation that we're ready to go bullish, go up. So with that, I just wait for the close above. And then on this first entry, I entered at the close of this candle, this 122 p.m. candle, because as you can see, we had a nice big displacement up. So I entered off of that, and then I had another entry on the actual retest of this change in the state of delivery. So once we came back down, tapped the change in the state, I had another entry, and I entered off that. So I was in 2 positions here, going long to these 1 hour highs, and as you can see, they both played out nice and pretty. So yeah, that was the 2 trades today that made me over $300. I just wanted to run through that, go over it for you guys really quick, let you know my conviction for the trade, why I entered the trade, what I wanted to see through the trade, and my entry criteria. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.